Hey there, business owners. Are you looking for a way to supercharge your customer engagement and boost your sales? Well, you're in the right place. Are you ready to skyrocket your customer engagement and sales? Imagine having a tool that can handle all your marketing needs while you focus on growing your business. Well, you're in luck because today, I'm diving into the best ManyChat deals available right now. Whether you're a small business owner or running a large enterprise, ManyChat has something for everyone. But first, don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your special discount. All right, let's get started. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on these deals. ManyChat is a powerful tool that lets you automate your Facebook Messenger marketing, SMS, and email campaigns. It's like having a marketing team at your fingertips, ready to engage with your customers 24/7. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. Imagine the possibilities of having your marketing efforts running smoothly around the clock. But let's talk pricing because, let's be honest, that's what we're all here for. Understanding the cost is crucial for making an informed decision. Yes, you heard me right, free. ManyChat offers a free plan that's perfect for those who are just starting out and want to explore the world of chatbot marketing without any financial commitment. This plan is perfect for those who are just dipping their toes into the world of chatbot marketing. It's a risk-free way to see if ManyChat is the right fit for your business. You'll get unlimited broadcasts, one audience tag, and support for up to 1,000 contacts. This means you can start building your audience and engaging with them right away. It's a great way to test the waters without spending a dime. You can experiment with different strategies and see what works best for your audience. But hey, if you're serious about growing your business, you might want to consider the ManyChat Pro plan. For just $10 a month, you get all the features of the free plan plus a whole lot more. This plan is designed for those who are ready to take their marketing to the next level. We're talking unlimited tags, advanced segmentation, and the ability to integrate with tools like Shopify and Google Sheets. These features can help you create more personalized and effective marketing campaigns. Oh, and did I mention you also get priority support? This means you'll have access to faster and more efficient customer service whenever you need it. That's right, no more waiting in line for answers. You can get the help you need right when you need it, ensuring your marketing efforts are never stalled. Now, for those of you who are like, I need all the features, ManyChat offers a business plan. This plan is tailored for larger businesses with more complex needs. This plan is customizable and starts at $45 a month. It's designed to provide you with all the tools you need to manage your marketing at scale. It's perfect for larger businesses that need more robust features like multi-channel chatbot automation, advanced analytics, and team collaboration tools. These features can help you streamline your marketing efforts and achieve better results. Plus, you get a dedicated account manager to help you every step of the way. This means you'll have expert guidance to ensure you're getting the most out of ManyChat. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what about a special deal? This sounds amazing, but what about a special deal? Well, you're in luck. We've got something special just for you. If you click on the link in the description below, you'll get access to an exclusive discount on ManyChat plans. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss out. So, what are you waiting for? Take advantage of this special offer and start transforming your marketing today. Whether you're a newbie just starting out or a seasoned pro looking to take your business to the next level, ManyChat has a plan for you. There's something for everyone, no matter your experience or business size. Remember, click the link in the description below to grab your special offer. This is your chance to get started with ManyChat at an unbeatable price. Your future self will thank you. Imagine looking back and realizing this was the moment you took your business to new heights. Thanks for watching and happy chatting. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and deals.